Hi, I'm Dominique Vernier and welcome to this video series on IBM Smart Cloud Application Workload Service. In this short video, I will explain how to install the database workload standards for Worklight, for the Worklight pattern type. So, to install this database standard, workload standard, I go from the catalog in the database workload standards and I see the current available workload standard, so I will add a new one. I click on the plus and enter a name for this one. WL RPT DB. For example, I can give a description, like this, and I will browse and select the file. The file is currently uploaded and I save the workload standard. That's it. I can repeat the same operation for the other workload standard for Worklight. So WL RT for the runtime DB, workload standard for runtime, for example. I can change the storage ratio and the initial disk size. So this is up to you, and you can decide it depending on your workload, your Worklight workload. And I load the file. Save. This is done. You can see that you installed the two Worklight database standards. Thank you very much. It was Dominique Vernier. Bye.